Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about choose function. This function is there in Excel since a long time, but it's not being used very much. So today we are going to see what is a choose function, its syntax, and can we use it as an alternate of VLOOKUP and if function. Let's start with the syntax first. You can see on your screen it says choose under the bracket index number, value 1, value 2 and so on. Now first and most important is this index number. Index number used to return a value from the list of value arguments, which mean whatever the number I'm going to put instead of index number, the same value will be picked out as a result from this particular function. For example, I'm going to use choose, let's suppose I give value 2. I type two colors here. Now, if I'm going to press the enter, I will get the result 2 because I have typed 2 here. So the index number is used to return a value from the list. If I replace it by 1, I will get red. Yes. So this is basic how you can use the choose function. Now, few things that you need to take care. You can use choose function to select one of up to 254 values based on the index number. The value 1, value 2 and so on, it goes up to 254 values, not beyond that. If you try that, you will get a value error. So keep this thing in mind. Now let's take an example here. If I'm going to use choose and instead of putting the index number manually, I'm going to take as a reference like 4. And now on the values, I'm going to select my output value like this. So now what I'm asking the choose function to do, I'm asking to use F5 value as an index number and give me the result. Here we can see the Wednesday is there, which is right next to F4 value. Let's look some more examples here. I have taken some inputs here and at the bottom you can see the sum. So this time, let's suppose I put 3 as an index number. Instead of typing the values manually, I will use it as an array like this. This one. Now, according to me, if I press the enter, the result should be H2 to H6, which means all the values which are written in H2 to H6 should display like this. Now I can use it with sum function or with any other function, depends why exactly I'm using it, so I can get the sum also like this. Now can we use it as an alternate of VLOOKUP or if? Let's check it out. I'm having some names and grades here. So generally, if we use VLOOKUP for this, how we do it? Like this, right? Now, if I have to use choose function to do the same thing, what I will do? Index number should be like this. Now the values. I need to use this value as a constant, so I'm going to freeze these values every time I'm punching some numbers like this by pressing F4 on my keyboard. Now, if I'm going to drag it, I have the same result. So do you think that the choose function can be used as an alternate of VLOOKUP? Do let me know on comments. I will wait for you. Thank you.